Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle filled with vibrant trees and sparkling streams, there lived a huge elephant. This elephant was proud of his size and strength, and his heart was as big as his body, well, sort of. He often bullied the smaller animals around him, using his size to intimidate them. There was a tiny family of ants who lived nearby, and they were his favorite targets. One day, while gathering food, the ants were splashed with water from the elephant's trunk, and all he did was laugh. Have you ever felt underestimated because of your size or appearance? Well, this story might resonate with you. You see, the elephant had a habit of showing off. He strutted through the jungle, tossing his trunk in the air, and whenever he came across smaller animals, he couldn't help but tease them. One fateful day, the ants were busy scurrying around to collect food for their family. Suddenly, the huge elephant approached, trumpeting his typical laughter. With a mighty splash, he sent a wave of water pouring down onto the unsuspecting ants. "Ha! Look at those tiny creatures," he chuckled. The ants were soaked, their food washed away, and they shrank back in fear, glancing sideways and whispering amongst themselves. They were frustrated and saddened, knowing they didn't stand a chance against the mighty giant. The jungle was utterly silent, feeling the weight of his bulliness, while other animals watched with concern, unsure how to help. But one little ant, brave and wise, decided enough was enough. Instead of running away, she confronted the elephant, something no one expected. "How dare you treat us this way?" she shouted, her tiny voice filled with determination. The elephant laughed her off, scoffing at her efforts. But she wasn't about to back down. She devised a clever plan. The next day, when the elephant was daintily sleeping under his favorite tree, she crept off to execute her idea, a mischievous twinkle in her tiny eyes. "Time to teach him a lesson," she thought as she prepared to crawl up the giant's trunk. As the sun rose, the jungle was calm and peaceful. The ant made her way up to the great elephant, carefully climbing his huge leg and eventually reaching his trunk. With a determined bite, she sunk her little teeth into the sensitive skin of the elephant's trunk. Suddenly, he woke up with a start, jumping up and trumpeting in pain. It was as if a storm had hit, but it was just one small ant making a big impact. "What is happening?" he cried, swatting at his trunk, utterly perplexed. He flailed around, not knowing how to fight off this tiny creature. For the first time in his life, the mighty elephant felt vulnerable. He begged her to stop, realizing that although he was huge, he wasn't invincible. The jungle watched in amazement as the true lesson of size and power was being played out before their eyes. Moved by the elephant's helplessness, the little ant felt a mix of emotions. She had made her point, and it was evident that the elephant finally understood how it felt to be bullied. Emerging from his trunk, she looked up at him and said, "I forgive you, but remember this lesson. Bullying isn't strong. It just hurts others." The elephant, his eyes a bit misty, nodded. From that day on, he promised to change his ways and treat all the animals in the jungle with kindness and respect. He learned that strength is not just about size. Respect is what truly makes one strong. And so the jungle became a happier place, where animals of all sizes lived in harmony. The elephant became a gentle giant, always looking out for the little ones. The moral of this story? Never underestimate others based on their size or appearance. Every creature has its strengths, no matter how small they may seem. It's a timeless lesson that reminds us to be kind and treat everyone with respect. Speaking of lessons, here's a joke for you. Why do elephants never use computers? Because they're afraid of the mouse. If you enjoyed this tale and want to hear more inspiring stories with valuable lessons, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps spread kindness and understanding to everyone. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.